All right, good morning. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and it is Wednesday, the 27th of June. We are packing up in Vienna, and we're about to head to Budapest. So you just need to catch your cab, head to the main train station, and then it's just 2.5 hours to Budapest. It was really fun here. I liked Vienna. We didn't do a lot, but I got a lot done. So I guess I did do a lot, and that's part of it. I'm excited to go to Budapest. I haven't been since 2005, and when Russ and I went, it was right after we went to Munich, and that was during Oktoberfest. So we had like 4 crazy days in Munich, and then we went to Budapest, and we pretty much just relaxed in Budapest. So since we just are coming off of a relaxing destination, hopefully I'll get to actually explore the city of Budapest this time and actually see it. I'm excited. So we're gonna get finished packing up here and head to the train station. Okay, we are downstairs. We have just turned our keys in for the Airbnb, and now we're waiting to see if we can find a cab. Right now it says all extra large vehicles are busy. Please select a different method. So we're giving it 5 minutes, and if we don't get an extra large, we're gonna order 2 regular vehicles. Hopefully. Come on! Hey. Go.
Oh shit, for you?
What?
Where are you going?
To HBF train station.
Okay.
That's Fun Hub. Okay. We just got here. We have like 5 minutes.
Hold on.
Get to our train. You guys are doing great. You guys are doing so good.
One, right?
Yeah, it's only another one. Yes, we're gonna be fine. We've got 30 minutes to get on the train. 30 minutes. That's plenty of time. I think that's our guy. I don't know what side, back. Oh, all the way down, yeah. Okay, we are on board. Pretty nice train. I do like the vestibule, but it's got like openings. It's got like openings at the top. I can't close the door either, but it's okay. When we got on, there was some guy that helped us. That was really nice of him. It was very nice. I don't know if I thanked him. Oh my gosh, we barely made it. We had like minutes to spare. I mean, the train was moving before we were in our seats.
Only because people were in our seats and they had to move. They weren't very happy about it. Sorry.
Okay, we are one stop away. About to pull into our final destination, Budapest, Keleti station. All right. We made it.
We made it. Asha. We made it and
take you home. I never felt something like this before. I know. Keep coming back for your time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave you behind. No, maybe I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove. Yeah, that baby I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the route. Yeah, baby I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove. Yeah, that baby I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the There's something about you, baby, that makes me feel complete. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before. I know. Coming back for your time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave you behind. No, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there.
So I'll give you 2 sets of keys if you need to.
Okay.
So remember, this is downstairs, the main door,
Okay.
and the biggest key for this door.
Okay. Okay, we're here. There's only AC in the living room, but at least they have a fan.
Yeah, there are multiple things.
It looks like a nice place in a nice location with a nice host. I think it's gonna be nice. Okay, we are about to head out of the Airbnb. It's about 5 o'clock. We're gonna go see if we can find some food, check out the neighborhood, and I don't know. We'll see what happens tonight. But I'm gonna put a monkey on my back, and we're gonna head out the door.
What I would do for you.
So cool.
So we just walked down this alley. It's like full of a whole bunch of really trendy restaurants, bars.
I love salmon. I don't want to eat. So my favorite food is sushi and salmon. A big lemonade.
So we stopped at a place called the Downtown, I think, and we got some appetizers and we got some salmon and some drinks. This is really cool. It's probably a little more expensive than the rest of Budapest, but the atmosphere is awesome. I love this. I love it. It's very cool.
This place is awesome. There's a lot of restaurants and bars and cafes in this little, I don't know. I didn't see the name of it.
I took a video of the sign as we walked in, but
Oh, I didn't even pay attention to the sign,
no
so.
idea what it is. We're trying the Soproni. I think that's how you say it. It's a Hungarian beer, and it tastes like almost all the other beers that we've been getting. But it's very good. Very nice. Verdict. Meh. Guess we're paying for the ambiance, not the food.
Kitty time. Kitty time.
Okay, we're at the mini mart. Gotta get some cereal for the girls for breakfast tomorrow, and some bottles of water. Okay, we are back at the apartment.
That's not her.
4. And we have successfully eaten not very good food. But I think Lily liked her salmon.
I love my salmon. I love my wife.
Good. So we're gonna go back up and relax, take showers, maybe put on a movie for the girls. I might hook up the Apple TV tonight. Okay, so I think that's where this vlog ends. If we do fun stuff tomorrow, we will bring you along. If not, we'll bring you along the next time we do fun stuff. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for liking, subscribing. Thanks for doing all the stuff. We really love your support. We really need your support because that's what keeps us going. I love reading all your comments and I love making the videos. It's been so much fun lately. So thanks for coming along and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Bye.